Hi everyone, welcome back. So my name is Ali Sheikh from Trial Optima. So we are talking about why Python is gaining momentum in clinical data science, how it compares to SAS, especially in the pharma and the CRO environments. Okay, so let's comparison between SAS and pharma and the CROs. So the industry shift, the clinical research industry is evolving. We are seeing a big push towards real world evidence, the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning, automation and cloud-based systems. All of this demands more flexible and modern tech tools, and that's where the Python enters into the picture. Okay, so the AI ML in a clinical trials, the next generation, the Python will be the key to understand to have this programming skill. So SAS has been the gold standard in clinical trials for a year. It is trusted by the FDA and the PMDA and great for CDX compliance, widely used for tables, listing, and figures, but it's also expensive, license, and bit limited when it comes to modern analytics or cloud workflows. Okay, SAS is a very good tool. So in the CDX and the FDA validated, but it's very expensive. So why Python is gaining popularity? The Python, on the other hand, is a free because this is a free and open source, easy to learn, and it has a huge support community. Excels in areas like data visualization, automation, integration with AI tools. So that's why so many teams are adopting it, especially in early phase trials and exploratory research. Okay. The core libraries for clinical programming, Python now has a libraries that directly support clinical workflows. So you have got Pandas and NumPy for data wrangling, PyRedstat for importing SAS files, and CDX tools like define.xml process. Visualization is easy with Plotly and Seaborn. It's growing fast and it's real. So quick comparison. Let's compare SAS wins on regulatory validation, but Python leads in flexibility. AI cost and ecosystem strength. Many companies are now using both SAS for submissions, Python for everything else like dashboards, automation, and machine learning. So here the small comparison, I can show you the cost of what is the cost is license, because the SAS is have a huge customer support compared to the Python. Python is have community support, so it is free and open source, and this is very strong for the when it comes to the artificial intelligence. And the cloud integration is limited for SAS, but it is native to the Python. So there are significant differences between these two programming scripts language. Okay, so the real use case of Python in clinical trials, the Python is already being used to automate SDTM ADAM pipelines, build real-time dashboards, analyzing the real-world data, and even run NLP on patient narratives. So these are very real use cases happening today. So top companies are using the Python. Top pharma companies like Novartis, Roche, Pfizer are already using Python. Startups are building clinical platforms in Python. This isn't just theory. The adoption is happening across the industry. So if you're a SAS programmer, start small, learn Pandas in Jupyter Notebooks, try building ADSL, ADAE in Python, use real series specs. Once you're comfortable, explore visualization libraries like Plotly, Dash for reporting. Okay. So in this project, we're going to talk about all this SGTM. Okay, so the Plotly and Dash. So when you come to the final thoughts, the SAS is still crucial for FDA submissions, but Python is unlocking the new capabilities, especially in automation, artificial intelligence, and real-world data. So if you want to future-proof your career, learn both. Being a bilingual in SAS and Python is the key. So question and answer to call to action, like, share, and subscribe to Trial Optimum, and comment below if you're using the Python in clinical projects. So check links if for description of the for code sample. So anyway, in this project I'm going to do the end-to-end project for the Python. So we'll be having the SDTM, ADAM, and some few parts of TLF. So please go through the playlist. I hope you understand and like that process of explaining. And if you like this series of Python, so let me give a hit and like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you so much for listening.